When you launch the app, you'll see two buttons, Sender and Receiver. The sender screen is for the facilitator, the receiver screen is for the technician. Upon clicking the receiver, you will have an option to choose a sender's device. As long as both devices are on the same network, you will be able to connect to the facilitator's sender's screen. Tap on the device you wish to use and click Connect. On the left, you will see the facilitator screen or the sender, and on the right, the technician screen or the receiver. We will start with the basics of how the entire system works, then look deeper into the options for the facilitator. When a facilitator wants to send information to the technician, they choose the type of instruction they want to send, and enter that. You'll notice that the timeline reflects exactly what the technician sees. The technician can then confirm or not confirm. Whether you use that function is entirely up to your particular workflow. And that confirmation shows up on the facilitator's timeline. If the facilitator makes a mistake, they can cancel the instructions by clicking the red X next to the instructions with the error. Those instructions will be highlighted in red for both the technician and the facilitator. The facilitator can revoke the cancellation by clicking the red X a second time. Now let's look deeper into the options available for the facilitator. There are 3 tabs. Each tab represents a certain type of information you wish to send to the technician. Each tab's specific data is customizable, which we will get into later. The Statistics tab represents numerical data that you wish to send to the technician, such as typical patient vitals. To use the Statistics tab, it's quite simple. You have your box, which have up and down arrows, which can change numeric values by clicking on it. Or as you see, when I clicked in the box, you can actually add numeric data manually. You choose whether that value is to represent up or down, and then you click Submit. Now, whether that means to go up to 98, or if you want to say go up 2 degrees, is entirely up to you and how you decide to run your scenario. The Concepts tab represents non-numeric patient information. It could be a patient attitude, speech quality, or even whether or not a drug was given. For the Concepts tab, choose the information you wish to send, select the corresponding value, and then click Submit. The Action tab is used to direct the technician to perform some action not directly related to the patient's status. For example, speaking for the patient, starting a seizure for the mannequin, or even turning off the lights during your scenario. The Action tab functions exactly the same as Concepts. Choose the information that you want to send, select the value, click Submit. Now let's look at how to create a new profile or edit an existing profile. A profile is equivalent to a scenario. It's a group of concepts that you're going to be modifying during any given event. To create a new profile or edit an existing profile, you click on the icon of a person up in the right-hand corner. We're going to go ahead and edit this current profile. You can see that the 3 tabs are represented on the Edit screen. Let's start with the Statistics screen. All you can really do with statistics is change the information. The value, numerically speaking, is done on the fly from the sender screen. So let's change heart rate. We're going to make it blink rate. We click on the box and type in the new information. Then we can click Save. Now that's been changed. As you can see, we can also edit the profile name. In this case, we've called it medical simulation, and add statistics. Since statistics on the editing screen is just that one information box, there's only one box. You can also change the color value of the 3 screens if you wish. So now statistics is represented by orange. As before, both Concepts and Action tabs operate just the same. We're going to look at the Concepts tab. When you click on the Concepts tab, you see three boxes on the left that you can edit. The first box represents the information. The second two boxes the corresponding values or descriptors. Again, you click in the boxes, change the information, and click Save. Color and profile name are again available on the right, but note that if you click on Add Concept, you have three boxes available. Concept name, which is the information you wish to add, and descriptors, which are the values you wish to describe that information. Note on the right-hand side, just below the profile icon, you'll see the trash can, which will allow you to delete the profile that you're working on. Once you've finished editing the profile, you can click Save in the bottom right-hand corner.